Well, hi everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Monday morning where skies are clearing out. There are still some clouds here from around Hastings south and eastward. They are moving on out. Winds are still brisk right in here, especially. Really the eastern half of the area or so, maybe 2/3 of the area. Still pretty brisk with those north and northwest winds. Much lighter winds out west. So it's colder in the northwest because of the clear skies and the lighter winds. Skies will clear up today. We're going to enjoy plenty of sun, but it does remain breezy much of the day. Let's back this up to earlier in the afternoon when it's still pretty breezy. You can see the strongest winds in the east, lighter winds out west. They'll die down late today and into tonight. Light winds. Skies will start to fill up with some upper level clouds overnight. It becomes partly cloudy by tomorrow morning, and temperatures will actually probably level off later in the night because of those southerly winds picking up. Those winds will be a little bit breezy tomorrow. That's going to help to warm things up despite extra clouds around, partly to mostly cloudy skies on your Tuesday. Now, right about here, though, there is another frontal boundary. It's going to start pushing south through the area Tuesday night. Brings a slight chance of some light rain or snow. Very minimal amounts expected here. Best chances out west. I don't expect a whole lot as we get towards Wednesday morning, but we will be chilly and a little bit brisk again on your Wednesday here, and there will be more clouds around as well. So we bring those temperatures back down. Tomorrow is probably the best day of temperatures, granted. More clouds around doesn't help, plus a little bit of a breezy wind. But then we go downhill from there, basically for the rest of the week, right into this upcoming weekend, as you'll see in that extended forecast. Highs today, mid to upper 30s to the northeast, north and northeast, low and mid 40s farther south and west. So really out west, the best of both worlds. Lighter winds and temperatures that'll be a little bit warmer here. Now, everybody should enjoy sunshine today. That's the one good thing about today. Tonight, we'll dip down into the low and mid 20s, some upper teens to the northwest. Temperatures do level off later in the night, though, with those winds starting to pick up out of the south. Warmest day of the week for most of us will be tomorrow. Highs in the 40s, some lower 50s in the south and southwest, maybe upper 30s around Valentine, as that cooler air does start to dive south. Tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, we're down into the 20s and lower 30s, some teens up north, and then a chillier day on Wednesday. Highs back down into the mid to upper 30s and lower 40s for your day on Wednesday. And those temperatures will trend downward. Thanksgiving Thursday looks chilly as well. Highs in the 30s, lower 40s in southwest Nebraska, although the winds won't be as strong on Thursday. And we should see more sunshine return on Thanksgiving Thursday. Let's take a look at that extended forecast here as we see. Again, tomorrow's the best day temperature-wise, although, again, with extra clouds and more wind around, it's not going to be ideal by any means. There's that small chance of some light rain or snow early Wednesday morning, mostly before sunrise. I don't think it amounts to a whole lot, maybe a couple of tenths of an inch of snow in some spots, especially out west. That extended forecast, mainly dry then for Thursday. Black Friday, similar temperatures, but look at those lows getting colder. It's going to get colder heading towards the end of the week and the upcoming weekend. More clouds around on Friday, and the winds will start to pick up out of the south. They'll pick up even more on Saturday as we get another cold front that comes through. That cold front brings us colder weather, and still up in the air whether we'll see snow or not. We'll show you some of those long-range forecast models, and you'll see how things play out. I'm going low chance for now because the model that I trust the most long-range is the one that's keeping us dry. So we'll see how things play out. It does stay chilly on Sunday, and then from there on out, it looks like we'll start to see a warming trend heading into next week. Good news is we should get out of the deep freeze and get some nicer temperatures ahead, and I think that's especially true later on in the forecast beyond Wednesday of next week. So there's the North Platte forecast. Not too bad today. Not as much wind. Lots of sunshine, mid-40s. A couple of degrees warmer tomorrow, but more clouds around. There's that chance of some light rain or snow, maybe picking up some minor accumulating snowfall there. Chillier, breezy on Wednesday. Colder temperatures coming Thursday and into Friday. And then even colder yet over the weekend with that slight chance of snow on Saturday. We'll keep an eye on that chance down the road. It does look like we'll trend chillier for the weekend, but then warm it up as we head into next weekend. In fact, as we get into next week, now, again, we're kind of designated as near to below average, but really the colder air is going to be pushing away from us. And I do think this warmer air is going to budge in from the west. So I would not be surprised with a future update if maybe this all gets shifted east a little bit and we warm up quicker than expected. And next week does look like it's likely going to be drier than average. I don't think we'll see much for precipitation chances down the road. In fact, as we look at the European model, we're going to focus on two things, Wednesday and Saturday, the two chances of moisture. So let's jump ahead to Wednesday. This is really Tuesday night and a Wednesday morning. There's that slight chance of light rain or snow. Very minimal snow accumulation right now. Then it's dry for Thanksgiving Thursday and Friday. By the way, if you're heading to Iowa City, Black Friday game right there in Iowa City, maybe some clouds around, and it's going to be cold, but hopefully dry. But then here's that snow chance for the Saturday. But right now this model is keeping everything to our east on Saturday. And then we kind of just stay dry heading into next week, and we'll see a warming trend down the road, which we'll show you on the models here in just a bit. Now let's take a look at the GFS model. This is the one that's more aggressive with the snow on Saturday. But let's jump ahead to Wednesday first. And you can see that the rain snow chance is almost non-existent for us. It's all off to our southwest on Wednesday. That's why I'm just going with the small chance for rain and snow right now for Wednesday. But it is more aggressive down the road after a couple of quiet days, Thursday and Friday. Friday night into Saturday, we see that snow approach, and this is the model that's bringing a little bit of snow to our area for the first half of the weekend on Saturday, and that could impact Saturday travel if you have any plans here. So we'll keep an eye on it, but like I said, right now the European model does not have that for us. So, and I trust the European model in the long range a little more than I do the GFS, which is why I'm just not very confident in those chances right now. And then that moves out, and we should be mainly dry beyond that all the way through the middle of next week. And we'll get a warming trend as well. In fact, we'll take a look at the temperature trends here in the long term. So again, we are chilly, and we're going to get colder and colder now. Tomorrow's a little warmer. And then we trend colder Wednesday, Thanksgiving Thursday, Friday. We just get colder and colder. Now, this model's trying to warm us up a little bit Friday. We'll see. I think that would be mainly southwest Nebraska. But then that next shot of colder air Saturday and Sunday. And then after that, it looks like we'll quickly warm up. Look how quick this model's warming us up already on Monday and into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday here. So hoping that we can kind of continue to trend warmer as next week goes on. That's the European model. Let's look at the GFS model. Again, we're chilly today. A little bit better tomorrow. Temperatures coming down then on Wednesday. Colder yet Thursday and Friday. And even colder yet over the weekend. But notice this model's not, I mean, it's cold Saturday and Sunday, but it's not brutal. And then temperatures come up. And already on Monday and Tuesday, and then continue to do so. If we see this, what the GFS is showing for next week, we could be easily talking about 50s and maybe even some low 60s returning. So we could get some much nicer weather down the road. Well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Monday morning. I'll be back on Tuesday with all of the latest. The only day I'll be off this week is on Thanksgiving Thursday itself. We won't be having any broadcast shows in the morning or the midday, so I will not be here on Thursday. But otherwise, I'll be here the rest of this week on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. So thank you all for watching. I will be back with you tomorrow morning. Take care, and God bless. Bye.